Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn one prompt into longest AI generated video. If you want to turn one single prompt into a long viral video fully generated by AI agents, this video I'll show you the exact step system I use to make marathon-length watchable AI videos from one idea. Let's go. So what you need is an AI agent or orchestration tool, a text, video generator, and last one, AI TTS for voiceovers, and also a simple editor to switch and add music. For the trick, you need to break one prompt into micro prompts automatically, divided by hook, scenes, transitions, subplots, and CTAs. Let the agent expand each into video clips, then auto-assemble. And the result, it will be long, coherent videos that still feel handcrafted. So, first you need to build the pipeline. You can choose your single prompt. So in here, for example, you can just find any text to video AI. For example, I'm using Jog AI in here. Then you can just click on text to video option and enter the prompt. Here I'm using this from a cinematic inspiring deep dive into how midnight creativity fuels viral artists, 10-minute documentary style with interview, examples, and a motivating CTA. You can choose the resolution, duration in here. As you guys can see, this is a free options, so I only have limited durations to 10 seconds, but if you have pro or if you subscribe into the AI, you can get up to 10 minutes and you can just generate. And next, you need to use the prompt to outline. So tell the agents to turn the single prompt into a full outline, which consists of hook, 6 scenes, 3 mini stories, 2 visual metaphors, 3 transition, and outro CTA. Next, send scene micro prompts to generate the clips and generate the voiceover. After that, you can just create the B-roll and visual variants and auto-assemble or edit the clip. So now you know how you can turn one prompt into a long watchable AI generated video using AI agent pipeline. Try it with your idea, and that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks.